my name is Bronzy and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get started. I want to say thank you so much to Makartt for sending me this PR, and I am very gracious and grateful and very humbled to be receiving this package. And if you see that everything is kind of slow-mo and the grain or the quality of the video is messed up, it's because I didn't know I was filming on slow-mo, so that's why everything seems slow, and I'm kind of doing it like in shots, I guess you could say. I don't know, but yeah, so I will go ahead and get started. You can see that the items that I was using, I am filing my nails. I usually don't file my nails when I'm just doing the peel off base, but since they did send me these items in the PR package, I decided to go ahead and prep my nails. And what I still will be putting on the peel off base. So here I am taking the shine off the nails. And I will be using the dehydrator and the primer. I don't know if you have these items, the dehydrator or the primer from Makartt, but the smell on these, they smell really good. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of like a sweet smell. I love the smell. So as I go ahead and put on my primer, I am using these stilettos. I think this is the first time I ever do stilettos on my channel, so I do hope you enjoy this. And these are the items that I am using. So I am doing a dip powder. I didn't really like the acrylic, like using the acrylic with the monomer, because it did marble a few times. So that's why I did decide to use it as a dip powder. And here I am showing you, you could either etch out the inside of the nails with primer, or you can do it with your e-file. You have to make sure that your tips do fit from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want it to be too short on one side, but if it's too big, it's okay. You can always file it down to fit your nail bed. And I did apply the gel to my nail, and I did cure it for 30 seconds, I believe. I did do like a 20-second cure just in case like I had anything on the side, on my sidewall, any spillage, if that's what you want to call it, any spillage, and then I wipe it and then I cure it for the next 30 seconds. So here I am shaping and filing the nail to make it more of a sharp stiletto. So you will see that I am doing that, and after I do this process, I will go ahead and come back. Okay, after I cleaned around my cuticles, I did do everything else, file some more and buffed off camera, and I also did wipe the dust off with 100% alcohol and isopropyl alcohol, and I also cleaned it with 100% lint-free wipes. Alright, so here they are, all clean, dust free and everything, dusted, buffed and everything. So I am going to be using these Melody Susie gloves because my hands, I see that my hands are getting dark for using them under the under the L.
Oh my God, I can't even talk today. What in the world is going on?
Under the lamp, I'm just gonna say under the lamp. They are getting dark, so I did decide to put these on, and they were very comfortable. They were a little bit too big, but they were still comfortable, and it did do its job. All right, so I am, as you can see, I am wiping the alcohol. I am wiping the dust from underneath the nails with a 100%, not 100%, what am I, oh my goodness, with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I am applying some base coat underneath the nails because I am getting ready to apply the gel polish under there to make them red bottoms. So I will let you go ahead and watch this process, and I will be back.
I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
Okay, everything that I'm showing here from Makartt, I do have a discount code, and I will leave all the discount code and all the products, the links and everything in the description box down below, so you can check those out if you are interested in purchasing these items. And I do love this red. This red is really gorgeous. That's why I decided to do red bottoms with these. And yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you're still watching, thank you so much. I do appreciate you, and please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment down below. I do answer to all my comments, so don't forget to comment and let me know if you like this video, if you like these red bottoms. And yeah, so now I will be showing you how I do my dip. So first I do apply a base coat, and then before I cure, I do not cure it, and then I go ahead and apply the powder while the base coat is wet, and then after that I tap off the excess acrylic or powder, and then I cure it. And then after I cure it, I do dust it off with a dust brush, and then I apply, usually I apply 2 coats, but you know, it's up to you if you want to apply 2 or 1 or 2 coats. But usually if you apply like 3, they become too thick, and I don't like it when it's thick, so because you do have to apply some clear acrylic as well. So that's why I only did 2 coats, and then I applied my Mia Secret acrylic, and I really did enjoy doing this. Like I said, this Makartt acrylic is all in one. You can use it as an acrylic with the monomer, and you can also use it as a dip powder. And yeah, so I will let you go ahead and watch the process, and I will be back, guys, and I really do hope you are enjoying this video.
Stressed out, give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your glitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly.
Also, I wanted to add, when you're applying your base coat, you want to make sure that your whole nail is covered before you do your dip powder, because if you don't, you will have some spaces in your coverage and it would just look too so just make sure that your whole nail is covered with the base coat before you do apply your dip powder.
Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh,
Okay, so I didn't get a clear from Makartt. They do have a clear acrylic, so I did use my Mia Secret clear acrylic for to cover the nails. Okay, so she is all done, all polished and everything. I did reshape them off camera and buff them some more, and now we are going to add some rhinestones, these beautiful red rhinestones. And I did fully cover the pinky nail, and I just did the cuticle on the ring finger with the rhinestones. So I will let you go ahead and watch this and I will return. Okay guys, so after I do all the rhinestones on my pinky and on my ring finger, I will go ahead and apply my cuticle oil. And of course this video is coming to an end, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys on my next video. And also I want to say thank you once again to Makartt for sending me this beautiful box. And yeah, so I hope I will see you guys on my next one. Until then, toodles.